Welcome to another edition of Soleta Product Updates. Today's update builds on the theme of robustness to noisy user data. Let's take a look. Suppose that I ask the question of what customer from New Jersey bought the most shoes in 2022. Now, this is a pretty benign question, and so we would expect Dana to be able to answer it. But unbeknownst to the user, it turns out that New Jersey doesn't actually have any shoe store sales. In other words, our store doesn't actually sell to New Jersey. So what's going on behind the scenes then is that the system will try to repair this query a couple of times, but will also finally just result in the fact that there were no shoes in the database for this particular state in this particular year, and is able to render this correctly. So, okay, what are all the states then that had shoe sales last year? So if we go through this, then we'll notice that Dana will then look at the state column to list all the states, as well as the year column to filter for last year. This will work pretty smoothly, except that, oh, just so you know, I ignored states with kind of these nans or empty values that were in there. And so if we scroll down a little bit, you'll notice that, yep, there is some sort of states that maybe would have caused errors, but we're still able to show this correctly on the page. In any case, last year we had shoe sales in several states, including Florida, Colorado, and Massachusetts. See the table for more. So now, as a final step, maybe we want to graph the states and their total order counts sorted from highest to lowest. And so let's take a look. And Dana is able to recognize that the user wants to visualize the data from the previous query, so the same tables and columns will still apply. And yep, this is pretty straightforward. So we go ahead and we're able to then generate the correct SQL query for this, look at the total orders as well as the state they belong to, also generates the code to visualize. And if we just wait a second, then we should see the total order counts per state. Wonderful. In order for AI agents to be useful and reliable, they must be capable of handling all sorts of messy data. So that's exactly what we've done. Thanks for watching.